Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can post on a BlueSky application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing first, you need to open your BlueSky application on your device and make sure that you're signed in to your account. The next thing you need to do is to tap on the post icon here at the bottom. Once you tap on here, you can enter a text here. You can just say, how are you? Just for example, I'm doing this. So here, as you can see, there are 300 characters available on BlueSky application. You can enter only 300 character of text. So the next thing you can do is to change the language from here. These are the available languages, and you can tap on other to select other languages if the language is not available in the list. The next thing, you can add a picture. Just tap on here and it will access to your images, and you can select any image. And suppose I want to add this one, and this image has been added. So you can even add a video here, or you can access to your mobile camera by just clicking on the icon of camera here. You can add a GIF as well. Another cool thing that you can do is to tap on the plus sign. So once you tap on a plus sign, as you can see, you can add another post as well. So you can do two posts simultaneously in one time, and you can post them all. As you can see, there is the option coming post all. So I will remove it for now. So once you done with everything, you done with the text and you add a picture or a video, and everything is done, you need to just tap on anybody can interact with this one. So here you can change actually the setting, reply settings. You can everybody can reply or nobody can reply. It depends on your choice. And then there is the mentioned user, followed. So you can even mention user here, and you can do the followed user as well. So once you okay with all the settings, you can just tap on save, and that setting for this particular post will be saved. And then you need to just tap on the post. So guys, once you tap on the post, as you can see, this picture with the text has been posted on BlueSky application. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.